If you want to go on into health and fitness, which is a growing field, this is the class to be in. My students typically pursue athletic training, physical therapy, and strength and conditioning. It's unique because we have a practical side of it and a theoretical side to it. In the classroom part of it first, we learn the anatomy, physiology, and then we come into the gym and we can actually work in a lab setting and be able to apply those skills that we learned.
This program has helped me reach my educational goals because I've learned a lot about anatomy, exercise science. It's really helped me understand a lot of it.
I really enjoy coming in the mornings and just doing a workout in different circuits and learning about different ways you can work with your body.
After high school, I'd like to attend a college and become a physical therapist.
I would recommend this program to others because you make a lot of new friends and it's just a great environment.
So if you really enjoy exercising, then this could be a next step to what you really want to do in your life.